Arrested Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) State Vice President and Tura MDC Bernard Marak was brought back to Tura by Meghalaya police in the afternoon of July 28, 2022 after being granted transit remand by a lower court in Uttar Pradesh on July 27th. The MDC and BJP leader was brought to Tura by armed escort after he landed in Guwahati airport from Delhi on Thursday morning. He is now being produced before the Court of Judicial Magistrate in Tura, which had issued non-bailable arrest warrant against the saffron leader on July 25th after he failed to surrender for several days after a raid was conducted in his farmhouse, Rimpu Bagan, on July 22nd. He had been found and arrested after issuing a countrywide lookout notice.